You and Buhari will pay for your crimes. Reno Omokri assures General Buratai. Reno Omokri to Lieutenant General Buratai. You and Buhari will pay for your crimes. Reno Omokri has said on authority that General Buratai and President Muhammadu Buhari will pay for the crimes they have committed against Nigerians. He said this following the shootings of the unarmed NSAS protesters at the Lekki toll gate last Tuesday, 20th October 2020. The army, after shooting and killing the protesters, initially claimed it never happened until recent findings proved otherwise. According to media reports, it has confessed to the killings and yet to reveal the identity of the masterminds behind the attack. Reacting to the issue, Buhari's tormentor and greatest nightmare, Reno Omokri, condemned General Buratai in a post saying he and President Buhari pay for the heinous crime committed. This useless Korofo that only became a general because of quota system can't even go to his village, Buratai, in Biu local government area of Borno State, because of Boko people. He can't defeat Boko people, and he thinks he can defeat EDSAS by killing unarmed peaceful protesters at Lekki massacre. You and Buhari will pay for your crimes. Empty barrel, weighted disguise. You will see Boko people and turn to Usain Bolt. You will see unarmed protesters and turn to bolts of lightning. If Tofiakwa was a person, it would be this useless Korofo called Buratai. May you end up as you ended so many innocent and promising lives. These are what was said to him and Buhari. Thank you for listening to this news. My viewers, Reno Omokri is someone that I so much value and appreciate his talk. I appreciate it because if you don't tell them what they really need to hear, if you don't let them know that you know what they know, if you don't voice out, they will still be looking at you on the head. They will still be seeing you as someone that doesn't know himself and his rights. Look at Buratai. He is just an opportunist. An opportunist that got himself into the NDA and became a general. See, live in with the soldiers at the war front. You will see that it will not last a day. It will not last a day. And he is the one that is making unnecessary decisions. He was the first person, the first man that tried to convince the president that they should go out there and massacre the youth. But the president was wise enough at the first place to say no to that. He was wise enough, but all of a sudden, I don't know what actually came into his head and made him to concur. I don't know. Maybe it may be when Bola Ahmed Tinubu came into the picture and advised that he should roll out the soldiers. So he decided to do so. Okay, that's one that I've advised the president to rule out the soldiers. What is the state of his life now? What is the state of his life now? I want to believe he's enjoying what the youth has done to him. Right? He's enjoying it. This is just the beginning. This is just the beginning, I bet you. The only thing that saved President Muhammadu Buhari is that the protest is not like it was in the north. If not, if the protest was the way it was here in Lagos, Abuja, and other places in Nigeria, if it was like that in the north too, I'm very sure that the house of Buhari in Katsina would have been set ablaze. Very, very sure. So it's just lucky. Too lucky. So definitely, Remokri have said it, they will pay for their crime now. They cannot escape it. It is a sure thing. They will pay. They will pay. Like seriously, they will pay. See, for those lives that were lost, the number of those lives that were lost are the number of people that will be killed in their own family as well. I'm telling you, those are the number of people that will be killed in their family. They won't believe it. They will just be looking. They will just be seeing that their families are dying mysteriously. Look at was Funtua. Issa Funtua. Look at him now. Is he existing again? Is he existing again? No. It's not a forgotten thing. It's not a forgotten thing. It's now a story for tomorrow. Is it not so? Yes. That is what he wants. That is what he asked for. That is what he deserves. And that is how every evil man and evil woman, that is how they will be. They will be killed one after the other. They will not live long. And you know what is paining me is that these people, they are not considering their age. They are not. They have forgotten that they have only limited days, limited years to spend here on earth. Instead of them to start putting their path straight so that it will please God, they are even worsening the situation. They are even committing more sin. You can see how stupid and crazy these people can be. You can see. Oh shit. Well, that's the problem. So my viewers, what is your own take on this issue? Please deem it fit to leave your comment below the comment box. Click on the subscription buttons as well as the bell buttons to get updated whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.